Hi, my dear students, how are you? I hope you are thoroughly enjoying physics, and now you're approaching your study in step by step in 1 second 30 units. Okay, because we are discussing first unit of 11th class introductory about physics, and we have certain questions on someone's brewing mind. How does it happen? Okay, and if somebody stated earlier who's one of the genius in his field, we should understand and comprehend what does it mean when he said like this. Okay, take the example of one of the greatest British physicists, Dirac. Once he told that it is very important, the physical equation should be beautiful rather than to meet the results of experiments. Criticize this statement, and after that give some examples of some equations belongs to your book 11th or 12th class, which are beautiful. Okay, as I read the question is it's more important to have beauty in the equations of physics than to have them agree experiments. The great British physicist P.A.M. Dirac held this view. Criticize this statement, look out for some equations and results in this book which strike you as beautiful. Okay, so this is a statement. So first of all, because Dirac was not only one scientist who thought like that. Scientists like Albert Einstein, Bohr, Chandrasekhar, Heisenberg, and so many, they also agreed such kind of thinking. Okay, beautiful mean simple, and if some equation is simple, it's beautiful, and then it's beautiful to define some natural phenomena to, I think, meet experiment result. I think it's automatical then, but it not happening always, because science like theory of relativity, quantum mechanics, we find very difficult and very clumsy, cumbersome equations which meet the results of experiments, but they are not as simple everybody can understand. Okay, take certain examples of 11th class books. We find certain equations. Take the example of energy is equal to mc square, Albert Einstein's equation on energy, how light works on energy and how matter can convert into energy and energy into matter. This equation explained the nuclear fusion inside the sun and sun-like stars. Not only sun and sun-like stars, but whatever reaction we believe to work on the surface of Earth on nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Equation is simple, and therefore it's beautiful. It also meets the experimental results. Second is force is equal to mass into acceleration, a second law of motion, very simple equation, and it's beautiful also. Take example, kinetic energy 1/2 mv square, potential energy mgh, both are simple equations and beautiful, but it's not always physical equations are simple and beautiful. Take the example of quantum mechanics. In quantum mechanics, the classical equation of electron when it revolves around the nucleus. So this is the potential energy, kinetic energy, potential energy is equal to energy, but its differential equation is equal to h minus class k 2me, del square psi divided del x square, del square psi del y square, del square psi del z square, plus potential psi is equal to total energy psi. Psi is a wave function which defines the position of particle and when particle is in motion. Later on we will discuss on it detail. This equation in a differential form doesn't look very simple, and it's not as beautiful, but it meets the results of experiment. Same with the case of theory of relativity. We find so many difficult equations which meets the results of experiment, and they're not beautiful. Okay, so in whole we can say that the results of experiment are very important as compared to the equation looks simple, but in a fundamental level we find that equations are very simple and beautiful, and they able to explain the natural phenomena. But in whole perspective we can say that the results of experiment are important as compared to simplicity in equation. Okay, thank you. I think you understand what's our stand on this statement. Being a physics student, I think I preferably give my vote to meet the results of the experiment rather than to looks like physical equations simple or beautiful. So this is the simple explanation of this statement given by the direct British physicist. So guys, it's my request, subscribe my channel, press bell icon to get notification whenever I upload new videos, and share my videos. Hope very soon we are going to start first unit of 11th class, that is the measurement of physical world, and after that we will discuss whole physics of 11th and 12th class. Thank you for watching. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you.